Folks, in this video we'll see how to install Fedora 40 version into our VirtualBox, and we'll see the steps one by after another. First step is to install the VirtualBox. We will have to get into this website, virtualbox.org, and then download the installable and then install it, bring up the VirtualBox, and then we will have to download the extension pack from the same website, and then we will have to install the extension pack onto the VirtualBox itself. I'll show this website now. So this website, if you see, this is the website virtualbox.org wiki downloads, and currently the version is 7.0.20. so if based on your host system, you can download the appropriate installable and then install it. And if you're looking, the extension pack is over here. There's just only one installable, so just all supported platforms, so just only one installable, so you can download it. So once you download it, you can bring up the VirtualBox, install it, and then bring it up, and it will look like this. The VirtualBox would look like this. I have so in your case it will be empty. I have multiple virtual machines, so it might look little different, but that's fine. So for installing the extension pack, you will have to go to the tools and then click onto the extension, and then there will be an install icon here. Click onto this and then select the extension pack installable, and then click open, and that will install the extension pack for you, and you should see the green tick mark over here. So that's about setting up the VirtualBox. Okay, so let us now see the next step. Next step is to download the Fedora ISO image. To download the Fedora ISO image, you will have to go to fedoraproject.org. so fedoraproject.org is over here, and you can see the latest release is here, and there is a workstation version and server version. We can take the workstation version. Download now. Click the download now, and it will download the ISO image for you. And have the ISO image ready. Keep it in a safe place. I have downloaded it and kept it in a safe place. Okay, the next step is to actually setting up the virtual machine. So we will have to create a virtual machine. For that, you will have to go to the machine menu, click new, and then give a name. A name that I'm going to give is FE40 test. Okay, and this location I want to give different locations, and yeah, so I want to store all my snapshots, so I have given this location. Type is Linux. Keep the ISO image blank at the moment. We'll get back to that in the next step. Click next. You can give 2 CPUs and 2 GB of RAM and 15 GB of hard disk. That's fine. So this is what is the virtual machine would look like, and it's all good, so we can click finish, and this has created the virtual machine for us. So this is the third step, and coming back to the last step, this is the install and bring up the Fedora Linux in the virtual machine that we have created. The virtual machine that we have created is FE40 test. This is actually seen here. So go to this, select this virtual machine, go to the settings, and now you will have to go to the storage, and in here you will have to locate the ISO Fedora ISO image that you have downloaded, so that you can select it here. So You can select it over here, and you can see this is getting selected here, and click OK. And now you can give a start, click the start button. So this will open up the virtual machine by booting the Fedora Linux ISO image when it starts. Test this media and start Fedora Linux for our workstation live. So that's what we are going to select. I'm going to press the escape to abort text. Press escape. This will save time. Install Fedora, and it is going to install the Fedora Linux into the virtual machine now. Started installing the Fedora Linux. It may take a little while. I'm going to pause the recording. It's finished now. Okay, now we have to reboot the system. Before rebooting the system, we will have to do one thing. Go to the VirtualBox. Setup. We have to make the setup now by creating username and things like that. I don't want to have this problem reporting thing, so I've just switched it off. Next I'm going to give full name, my name, okay. So yeah, you're all set to now use the Fedora Linux, and you can see yeah. So Fedora Linux is up now. You can go to the terminal. The name that I had chosen currently, that's the name that I created by default. So currently the system has logged in with that name. I can log into the root. To log into the root, I need to give the password for the root. To give the password for the root, I need to give sudo paswd and then root. Yeah, so I have set the password for the root now, root account as well. Let me try to log into the root account. Yeah, so currently it is logged into root account as well. You can check by giving phone. Yeah. So pretty much that's all, folks. I hope you get uh, how we can install Fedora Linux on VirtualBox. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. In case if you like this video, give it a like, share and subscribe. Thank you.